Hello Skywinders, welcome back to Skywind007. This is just a quick video about this device. This is the Onn Boombox from Walmart, and we're gonna be doing an update. So I've had this for a while and everything continues to be working perfectly well, no complaints at all. And on my previous video about this device, I've had a lot of questions, so we're gonna clarify those questions. So again, we're gonna look at the front over here. This is the power button right here that turns it on and off. So this is the power right here. This is where you put the headphone. Right here, this controls the volume. Over here, this controls the previous and next preset station on the FM radio, and this controls the up and down. That controls the stations, not the presets, but the stations alone. Over here on CD mode, this pauses and starts the CD, and this stops the CD. And on CD mode, this and this skips to the next track. So that's basically it as far as the front. This CD goes over here, of course. It has a handle. On the sides there's nothing. On the back there's this cable that you can, that's the power cord. You can remove it if you want. And on the bottom it has the battery compartment, which I never use anymore because the batteries drain really fast, and I have no idea why that happens, because they're not supposed to drain that fast. So let's power it up and let's address some of the questions that I've been having on my previous video. So that's how it powers up. So this button right here changes from CD to FM radio mode. And one of the most common questions that I get is how do you preset a radio station? So let's select any station. Like I said, up and down is the station. You can change the station. If you do right and left, that'll change the preset stations, but presumably we haven't done that yet. So let's pick the station. Let's do 88.5. So let's say 88.5 is our favorite station. Let me lower the volume, and we want to record it. We want to not record it, but we're going to make a preset. So we're going to press and hold the play button right here, the play pause, and then it'll give us a choice of which station we want to pick. So we're going to pick not which station, but which preset station. So let's pick 8, and then let's press pause again, and now it's set to PO8. So now let's look for it. So if we look for it, here we go, P8, and there's our station, 88.5. So that's how you do it. So let's try again. Let's pick another station. Let's pick 88.9. So we press this button right here, that's the play pause, and press and hold, and now we get a choice. So let's pick let's see, P01, and then let's press this again, and there we go, it's set. So now let's look for our station, P01. There we go, and that's it, 88.9. So that's how you make a preset for your favorite station, and I get a lot of questions about that, so that's how you do that. So as far as the everything else is fairly simple. Let's move on to the CDs. So I made a special CD just for this video. Let me go get it. Okay, so let's move to CD mode. You press CD, and then it's looking for a CD, and it's going to try to find a CD. There's nothing in there, so it's going to say no, meaning no CD, no disc. So I made this right here, and this is going to be our test CD. I put some songs there that are not copyrighted, because on my previous video I put some copyrighted material, and I got some citations, some copyright strikes. So that's why we're going to do that differently now. So let's open it up. When you open it up, it says open, of course. So we put our CD in there, and we close it. So now it's reading. You can hear it spinning. And there we go, and now starts playing the first track. So let's raise the volume. So the sound quality, let me pause for a moment. So the sound quality is flat, there's not a lot of bass, but you wouldn't expect that from this type of boombox. Okay, so let's move to the following song. So now let's see if we can skip within the track. Okay, so let's, I accidentally pressed, I accidentally went back to FM mode. So let's play track number 3. We have 4 tracks on there. So it's gonna play track 1. That's track 2. Track 3. And track 4. Let me try to skip. So now let's see what the up and down do when you're playing a track. Okay, it changes the mode. So right now we're on shuffle. You can't see it. Okay, let's do that again. Right now this is loop. It's gonna loop. It's gonna shuffle right there. And this is just normal playback, so it's gonna stop at the end of the disc. So there is no option for a loop for one track. It'll loop for the entire disc. This the down button doesn't do anything, only the top one. And this is of course the volume, play, pause, and stop. When you press stop, it'll tell you the amount of tracks that you have in there. Okay, so the next thing I want to do is connect it to a speaker, because I do believe that if you're going to buy this, it might be a good idea to get a high quality speaker like a Sony. I do have 2 Sonys, But the problem is that this Sony right here, the Sony speaker, it doesn't have a aux, like an earphone connection, not that I can tell. I don't know where else to look, so I have to use this one right here, because this one does have it. If you open it up, there you go. So let's connect it. So you plug one into there, and then the other over here, and then you turn it on. Okay, there we go, it's turned on. And now you look for the music that you want to play. So let's just go to track 1. So there we go. You can definitely hear the difference. There's a lot of bass. You can feel the rattle on the table. So this is a very good speaker, and when you add this speaker to this, it's amazing. So wow, let me pause. So anyway, the way I would use this is I would put it like that, and then just keep listening to the music. I would put it like that, and then just so much difference. So that makes a big difference as far as making this high quality sound. And that's it. So if you have any more questions, those are the questions that I had. I had one lady ask me if this thing had a good antenna, and there's no antenna anywhere on here. There's no external antenna. I'm sure there's an internal antenna, but there's no. Let me stop it before I damage the disc, and let me power it off. So no, there is no antenna. I've been asked if the sound was loud. I'm assuming that by loud people mean bass, and the answer is no, absolutely not. There's literally zero bass on this device. That's why you need one of these. And yeah, it kind of doesn't look that appealing when you have a wire and then you got this. That's it. Thank you for watching. Subscribe and thumbs up.